Manufacturing Company. Loction, Palavakkam, Akkarai Perungudi. Qualifications, ITI Dip B any degree. Gender. Male. Age, 18 to 35. Freshers experienced. Department. 1. Quality. 2. Store. 3. Production. 4. Other departments. General shift. Salary 17,000 to 25,000, yet to HRAs, based on experience. ESI, PF provided. Attendance bouns 1,000, monthly. Week off Sunday. Room support only. Note. Most preferable for Akkarai, Palavakkam. ECR Perungudi location candidates, outstation K. Contact 9514404291.